Welcome to this channel all about creating your dream life and manifesting money. If you could, it'd be greatly appreciated if you can hit the thumbs up, subscribe and the bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos. And in this video, I'm talking about how to make the law of attraction work for you faster. So basically, the law of attraction is like attracts like, okay? So whatever you are believing and wherever you are energetically, you will keep attracting that and creating that, okay? And so how you can make the law of attraction work faster for you, this is like the total key, is to take responsibility for everything you have created in your life. Now, sometimes that can be easier said than done, because some of the things are like, why would I have created that? And why would I have created that? Now, the thing is just remember, a lot of the times you've created unconsciously. So it's in the subconscious mind. You haven't realized that you're creating that until, hopefully, since finding this channel and learning about manifestation, right? You're starting to realize, hang on a minute, I don't have to go on autopilot. I can start to clear out some stuff that I really don't need anymore in my unconscious mind. So what I'm saying is yes, you've created some things, but you didn't really do it consciously, you did it subconsciously. So you didn't really know you were doing it. But now you do. If you've been listening to my channel, you know that you do. And so the way you can get it to work faster for you is by realizing that you've created everything. And so if you've created everything, you can now change those things and create things that you want, because you're in the driver's seat. Does that make sense? So the quickest way to make it work for you is take full responsibility. I'm responsible for everything in my life that I've created, and I'm now going to choose differently. I'm now going to close that door and open a new one and walk through that. And sit down, work out what it is I want to create in my life. What do I want to see out there in my reality? And be responsible for it all. And if something comes that you're not happy with, look at it and go, how did I create that? It might be an old program in my mind that created it. Let's look at it. Let's release it. It's just showing up to show me where I've been focused, what I've put attention on, and now I'm not doing that. I'm releasing that, and then back to, well, what do I want instead? Okay? Little tip for you today. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.